Yes, dear students, I am demonstrating action of surface tension on a solid dip. Here it is a glass plate which is balanced by some mass m here by this physical balance, this is a fulcrum. Here is a container having some liquid. Actually, a solid will get stick with a liquid. A solid will get stick to a liquid if surface energy of solid and liquid is less than surface energy of solid air plus liquid air. Surface energy a pair actually. Surface energy will also depend on the pair of two media. So now this is one thing, but when it is like this, now we raise the container till the liquid touches the glass plate. The glass plate is vertical here. Now when we dip this glass plate by raising the container, then the glass plate will be lowered by small amount. It will be lowered by small amount. To balance again, some extra mass is to be placed in the pan of the physical balance. Now the force applied by liquid, that F will be 2PL. By 2 there are two surfaces of this side and this side. From both surfaces it is being pulled. And it is equal to, and this F equal to this extra mass mg. So m into g is determined weight. So 2PL equal to mg, or T equal to mg upon 2L. This way you can realize, actually this activity I have explained you, taken from NCERT book. Just to realize, just to believe that liquid applies a force due to its surface tension. And I told so many things. Surface try to reduce its area. Liquid surface try to reduce area to minimize its energy. So I hope you will enjoy this activity. It is given in NCERT book. Now I am trying to solve some question for you. Some question based on surface tension are there from NCERT book. Please solve the numerical yourself. Multiply, divide yourself. Don't say to put the value, get the answer. No. Because in exam, questions are asked certainly numerical. So first of all, I take 10.29. 10.29. In this question, a capillary, narrow capillary of radius 1 millimeter. Radius of capillary of 1 millimeter is dipped in mercury. Is dipped in mercury, and angle of contact theta for mercury 140. Actually, I am telling you for this thing, how to find the value 1. It will come out cos 140, है ना? So you are asked by what amount does the mercury dip down in the tube relative to the liquid surface outside. Surface tension of mercury के लिए T equal to 0.465 Newton per meter. This is surface tension. G 9.8. Density of mercury, density D of mercury. Do you remember or not? No. 13.6 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube, and G 9.8 meter per second square. Using this data for 3, so mercury certainly will dip down in the tube. It dips down from the outside surface. So how much is this H? We know H equal to 2p cos theta upon r dg. R is the radius of capillary and d is length. So 2p 0.465. 0.465. R is this, isn't it? Yes, 0.465 into cos 140 degrees upon radius 1 millimeter 10 to the power minus 3 meter dash over 1000 d 9.8. So matter is simply how to problem for you is cos 140. We know cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Please learn this thing. So cos 140 can be written as cos 90 plus 50 is equal to minus sin 50. Minus sin 50. And minus sin 50 value is there. Sin 50 is equal to .766 minus 0.766 is this value from table. Should I show you? Yes, I am bringing the table. I hope we have got this point here. Cos 140 is equal to 90 plus. Please have this table with you. Any type of any printer, publisher may give this. So here it is sine. Here it is natural cosine, because our table actually, why I have not written that cos 140. This table gives the value of angle up to 90. So natural sine 50. Here it is 0.7660. Okay. So put this value minus 2 into 0.465 into 0.766 upon this cancel 9.8, it will be meter. Convert this into millimeter. Convert this into minus means it dip down. Minus sign it will go down. 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12 or 1 13, 2 4 are 8 or 1 9, 0.93 into 0.766 10 to the power 3, 1 meter 10 to the power 3 millimeter upon 9.8. Now write here millimeter, and when you will solve it, you will get this value to be minus 5.345. Yes, 45 millimeter. You can write, because our scale measures only up to millimeter. आपकी स्केल में मिलीमीटर डिवीजन आर नॉट फर्दर डिवाइडेड, बट न्यूमेरिकली द वैल्यू इज दिस. So, but please multiply and divide don't go I have got, because in exam you will get different numbers. So you can't cram like this. I am leaving for you. Now this was one question on surface tension. Simple. Now there is a question from NCERT. Two tubes, narrow bore, capillary tube are connected together, having diameter 3 mm and 6 mm. These are two narrow. They are connected here together, having diameter D1 3 mm. So R1 1.5 mm. This diameter is this diameter D2 6 mm. So radius 3 mm. Now some water is filled in this tube system. If we fill water in this system, then there is difference of level in the two tubes like this. There will be difference. Water is filled here with this difference. So you are asked what is the difference in the level. Surface tension of water for water is 7.3 10 to the power minus 2. Density of water 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube and G 9.8. Angle of contact theta is equal to 0. What is theta? Angle of contact is 0. So how to find this difference? Actually, you know, pressure difference across curved surface. P is equal to 2T by R. Here theta is 0, so small r equal to capital R. And hence it will be P equal to 2T by R. So smaller the radius, larger the pressure difference. Smaller the radius, larger the pressure difference. So this pressure, here radius R1, this is R1, this is R2. So 2T upon R1 by theta angle of contact. The angle of contact is theta. Theta equal to 0, then radius of capillary equal to radius of curved surface. Capital R is the radius of curved surface, given K. And small r is the radius. So when theta is 0, angle of contact 0, then radius of capillary is equal to radius of curved surface. So I can write here 2T upon R1 minus 2T upon R2 is equal to this difference in pressure will be equal to pressure difference of water column here is equal to HdG. From here H is equal to 2T upon dG into 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Put the values here, that H equal to 2 into 7.3 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 1 upon 1.5 millimeter, 1.5 10 to the power minus 3, or 1 upon 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 upon dg, density 10 to the power 3, G 9.8. This 10 to the power minus 3 common outside. So X equal to, it is 14.4, 10 to the power minus 2 will be in meter upon 9.8 into 10 to the power 3 or 10 to the power 3 common ये minus की तो 1 upon 1.5 minus 1 upon 3. I am solving just for your practice, though you can do it yourself. This power cancel only 14.4 upon 9.8. Here LCM 3, 2 minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, or it is equal to 14.4 upon 3 8 are 24. 3 8 are 24, carry 2, 3 are 27, 29. Decimal here, or 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power 3 millimeter. So simply it is left 10 was 144 upon 29.4, or you can write 1440 upon 294 millimeter. Divide it yourself, you will get answer. How much? The answer here is nearly 5 millimeter. 2 5 10 yes हाँ. It is nearly 5 millimeter. 4.9 को जाएगा millimeter. So please do such question yourself, then you will be benefited. Practice question from different books. As many questions you will do, it will be large benefit to you. Now there is one more question here from NCERT book 10.17. These are questions from, this was question number 10.30. 10.30 from NCERT. Please have NCERT book and solve numerical of NCERT book. I got message from students because students from different places and different schools remain in touch with me. They sir, teacher don't solve numerical from NCERT book. They keep on telling their own. But these are model questions. I have seen the paper of different competitive exam as well as different boards. The questions are based on the question given in NCERT book. There is simple question here. There is a U-shaped wire. U-shaped wire. There is a rider here. There is road and a film of liquid is obtained here. Here a film of liquid is obtained. It is 10.17. 10.17 question from NCERT. Here on this wire, its length is 30 centimeter. Weight W is equal to 1.5. 1.5 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. Here some mass by like ग्राम मिलीग्राम में मास रखा तो फिर न्यूटन बन जाएंगे. You know W is equal to mg. अगर ये इतना वेट लटकाना है 1.5 10 to the power minus 2 तो m निकालना अगर g प्लेन ले लूँ तो ये होगा 1.5 10 to the power minus 3 kg, यानी कि 1.5 ग्राम. 1.5 मास ग्राम रखा होगा तो ये बन रहा है. So you are asked why is surface tension liquid. Again I am telling why I am telling this question because the liquid surfaces, there are two surfaces. So here this weight will be 2TL. 2 is there by surface tension of F upon L. So F equal to K होना चाहिए. Why there is 2? Because The film has two surfaces, one this side, other this side. Both are pulling it up. And so T is equal to W upon 2L. My purpose here is to explain what is 2. So it is 1.5 10 to the power minus 2 upon 2 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, minus 2. 30 है ना length. This length is, yes, 1.2. नहीं 30 sorry 3 लिखा हुआ. हाँ here I was reading. So it is 0.2. यानी कह लेंगे ये इससे कैंसिल हो गया. It is 1.5 upon 660. (20 or 0.5). So it is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 upon 2. So 2.5 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. Dear student, I have good practice. Even then, I have to think. Sorry, ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया यहाँ. मैं दोबारा कर रहा हूँ. ये नीचे चला गया. By T is equal to W upon 2L. So W is our 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 or upon 2 into 0.3 कर लीजिए 30 सेंटीमीटर 0.3 मीटर. वो ज़्यादा आसान हो जाएगा. तो इट इज 5 upon 2 10 to the power minus 2, so it is 2.5. What will be surface tension? Please don't forget to write unit, Newton per meter, or you can write or joule per meter square also. वो भी चलेगा. So that way you can solve many questions there. Thank you very much. But you have not seen my last video now. Don't come into too much celebration. You will celebrate your life when you will get success only.